Hola everyone, who is ready to slide right in to an incredible rental property right here on Denarau Island in the Links Precinct, backing up right to the Denarau golf course. Look at that gorgeous greenery here, great privacy, beautiful tropical. Look at that. Put pause on your screen. How cool is that? You're going to want to walk with me now and go to professionalsfiji.com or call us at +679 999 2051 to learn all about this incredible 3-bedroom, 2-bath, fully furnished, self-contained home, 24/7 gated community of the Links. Plus, it has bonus office. So really convenient if you want to work from home or if you have an online business. And if you have kids, this is spectacular because, see, you got a beautiful, incredible slide. I had one of those as a kid, and those are super fun. You have this great gate right here that comes across and can be unrolled, as you see, with the AstroTurf artificial grass, so super low maintenance. And this is great if you have kids so that they won't fall in the pool or have any accidents. You can feel assured that as long as that is covered and the doors are enclosed, you can be in here in this kitchen and enjoying yourself, your family, friends to entertain. And you can see you have great prep island with the prep sink, double sinks here, beautiful granite, great French bistro style here with the, of course, oven, 4-gas burner stove top and hood, micro. You have great side-by-side fridge, freezer, and your dishwasher. And that's where the wine bottles go, right up there. Great pantry storage and nice open concept. Look at that. Beautiful entryway. And this, of course, all opens up, as you can see, and great sitting area covered. So if the weather's not agreeing with you, you can still be out here with family and friends, entertaining, kids out there enjoying themselves, streaming your Netflix right there. All this beautiful Pacific green furniture designed and made right here in Fiji. So let's walk this way, and we're going to show you, there's the beautiful entryway, and it's a great, cute gate. You'll see in the photos of this listing just how wonderful this property is. Here's big home office, and you can make that a 4th bedroom if you want. Double car enclosed garage with the automatic opener. Nice new tile work that they did out here. Extra storage for utility. Double washer and dryer there with also clothesline outside. And here's a room view there again. Nice, great vaulted ceilings with the recessed lighting and the ceiling fans. Okay, let's go and check out the 3 bedrooms now that we've seen the office. This is self-contained, fully furnished. All your towels and sheets in here. Great sleeping arrangements. So you have there a couple beds, aircon, ceiling fan, recessed light, cyclone privacy shutters there. Nice little stars on the wall. I had one of those when I was a kid as well. You can hear planes are in the air. That's a good sign here in Fiji. Great walk-in wardrobe for extra storage, desk for the kids. The Nandi International School bus drops off right in front of this precinct. So this is one of the most popular neighborhoods for expats and people that have kids that are going to the Nandi International School. These rooms are very large, beautiful accent paint, great storage for all your belongings. Really nice artwork in here too. And a fun fact is this owner actually is a great artist, and we have one of her pieces in our office as well. There are those nice privacy shades. And great big master here. Vaulted ceilings with the aircon, ceiling fan, recessed lights. Here are your double sinks and wardrobe. Super convenient. And look at this, just very low maintenance, super clean. This owner takes pride in their property, and you can definitely shows. So find out more about this rental property that we have in this luxury community on Denarau Island, about 15 minutes from the international airport and literally just steps away from the Denarau Golf and Racquet Club and the Port Denarau Marina, where you can get all the boat charters, sunset cruises, fishing charters, and all your nightlife, entertainment, restaurants, retail, wine bars, coffee shops, shopping. Everything is all right here. We look forward to hearing from you soon. We hope you're having a beautiful day, and hopefully you'll make this your new home as well. Vanaka!